Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is write in numbers. Dear the students, this is lesson number 13 and HW number 12. Okay, now the students, let us start our today's class. Write in numbers means write a numbers using digits. Dear students, you know that we use total 10 digits for writing any numbers. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using these 10 digits, we can express any large number. Dear the students, here some numbers are written, and in here the numbers are written using the English letter, that means in spelling, and we have to write the numbers using digits. At first, one number is 95. 95 here only two places exist, tens place and ones place, and in tens place you have to write 9 and in ones place you have to write 5. So that 95 we can write, we will take only two place, this is for tens place and this is for ones place, and in tens place we will write 9 and in ones place we will write 5. 95. Now two number 324. 3, 2, 4. Total 3 place. In hundreds place we will write 3. In tens place we will write 20, and in ones place we will write 4. 3, 2, 4. Now the students, 3 number 7,211. 7,000. Once total place here, total 4 place, and highest place is 4. Highest place is thousands place. So we will take total 4 dot for 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in highest place, that means in thousands place, you have to write 7. Okay, we have written 7 in thousands place. Then 7,200, second highest place is 100 place, and in 100 place you have to write 2. 7,200, then 11. 11, that means in tens place we will write 1, and in ones place also we write 1. This is 7,211. Now the students' code number is 4,000, it's 600. 4,621. 4,621. Total 4 place. 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. So we will take total 4 dot sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. In thousands place we will write 4. 4,000, then 600. That means in 100 place we will write 6. Then 21. In tens place we will write 2, and in ones place we will write 1. 4,621. Dear the students, now we will write 5 number 8,075. 1000 place exists, that means total 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. In thousands place we will write 8. 8,000, then 75. 75, that means in tens place we will write 7, and in ones place we will write 5. Here hundreds place is blank, and in this blank place we have to write 0. 8,075. Now the students 9013, 9000 here highest place is thousands place, that means total 4 place exit, so we will take 4 dot 1 2 3 4. Now 9000, that means in thousands place we will write 9, and then 13 we write it by 1 and 3. Here hundreds place is blank, and in this blank place we will write 0. This is 9013. Okay, dear the students, now we will write 7 number. Here 7 number is 1007. Highest place is 1000 place, so we will write total 4 place, 1 2 3 4. And in highest place, that means in thousands place we have to write 1. Then 7, that means in ones place we will write 7. Dear the students, here tens place and hundreds place, these two places are blank, so in these two places we will put 0 and 0. This is 1007. Now 8 number 2025. Highest place is 1000 place, so we will take total 4 place, 1 2 3 4. And in highest place, that means in 1000 place we will write 2. 2000, then 25. In tens place we will write 2, and then in ones place write 5. It is 25. Here hundreds place is blank, and in this blank place we will write 0. This is 2025. Now the students 9 number is 9990. 9990. In hundreds place we will write 9000, and then 900 in hundreds place also we will write 9. Then 90. 90 means 90. This is 9990. Now 10 number 3209. 3000 total 4 place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. And now 3000, that means in hundreds place we will write 3. Thousands place we have written 3. Now 200 in hundreds place we will write 2. Then 9, that means in ones place we will write 9. Here tens place is blank, and in this blank place we will write 0. This is 3209. Now 11 number 6532. 6532 total 4 place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 6000, so that in thousands place we will write 6. 6000, then 500, so that in hundreds place we will write 5. Then 32. This is 6532. Now last one 8079. 1000 place exists, so we will take total 4 place, 1 2 3 4. And in thousands place we have to write 8. 8000. Then 79. 79 in tens place we will write 7, and in ones place we will write 9. So here hundreds place is blank, and in this blank place we will write 0. This is 8079. Okay, the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. And now I am giving you SW. Dear the students, our today's SW number 12. This is 12 number SW, and our today's CW is your SW also. Our today's CW is your SW also. So do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.